Hey guys, Matt from YamahaHammers.com here. I just wanted to show you another thing I'm throwing on today. We got Yamaha come out with a new center rear view mirror. Pretty sweet setup, real nice looking, looks real factory like. Got the little Yamaha symbol on there. But anyway, the clamp is separate. Pretty straightforward install. You can check out part number there, but this is going on the X2, so I'll get it mounted up and we'll see how she looks. Okay, so we got it installed, and I actually mounted it to the right of center. That way it still kept my line of sight, and I also mounted it, you could let it hang straight down and you can see great, but I actually mounted it so that it aims forward a little bit, and I still have plenty of adjustment to where, you know, it gets me where I want to be, but at the same time, it keeps my line of sight. But what's nice about this is my wife was always asking me for a mirror whenever she's riding passenger with me. You know, I have her check to see if people are behind us, so it's nice because she can just turn it her side and have it so she can see also. I did have a sound bar mounted up here. I actually moved it to the back. But it's nice, pretty nice quality. It has some retention screws on the back there that you can snug up. That way you can make it a little harder to turn or easier. But it's real self-explanatory how to mount it, but it's definitely, I like it. It's nice and big. It's easy to grab and turn as you're going down the trail. So, and the clamps, it clamps real solid. It doesn't shake around or move on you. It's real simple to install, one bolt through, and then the stem of the mirror screws right into the bottom of the plate there. So there you have it.